Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Learning with Ankit Gahman. Today we will do download Python. How to download Python? First way is search on Google www.python.org. Download. I have already searched, so it's come. Download, enter, press enter. We will automatically come on the screen. Then first there are many, you can see there are many versions. If you like to do a search, download any version, you can download it from here, clicking on download. And the latest, if you want to download latest one, click on download, it will load, and click on download Python 3.10.1. so I have already downloaded in my laptop. Already downloaded, you can see. It will click Ideal Python. Ideal Python, it will open. Hello guys, if you like my channel, this video, so please subscribe it and like it and share. Thanks for watching.